Infinity and the twinkling of an eye. Sharon Horne-Ellstrom here. Welcome to day 1545 of What You Up To Now. Documenting the journey as I transition business journey from brick and mortar corporate world of business to the online world of business. Both my own businesses and over a quarter century in corporate America. Simultaneously, 49 years of running my own businesses. Long time, lots of different industries, at least 27 offline. Have really lost count online, worked with and been involved in so many different businesses and industries. And today, our idiom for supersize your business, which is going along with the spiritual well-being theme for the month of April for the annual challenge, the BU 365-day challenge, was to talk about the saying in the twinkling of an eye. Of course, it's a biblical reference, comes from the Corinthians 15, 51, 52, where Paul's talking about the end of the world and the last judgment, and that we shall all be changed in a moment in the twinkling of an eye, ... So, twinkling of the eye, I shared, I think it was more like 18. I said 10 ways to very quickly supersize and grow your business in the twinkling of an eye. But to very quickly grow your business, I shared like 15 different things. Things I've tried and done, some successfully, some not as successfully in the past in different industries. So they're all things that work. And in business and in life, the world likes speed, right? The universe loves speed. So when we do things quickly, when we make decisions, when we're agile and can think on our feet, we tend to find more success. Or we figure out what doesn't work faster and we tweak that and we change that and we do what does work. So I love this in a twinkling of an eye. I think it's a great saying. I think it's a great idiom. I think we can learn a lot from it in all areas and aspects of our life, not just our spiritual life as well as business. So our daily challenge today for the BU 365-day challenge was infinity and beyond. The whole topic of infinity, what does it mean to us, and have we thought about it? I just looked up and did a little research yesterday on infinity. And how do we wrap our heads around something that is infinite, right? Infinity means forever and ever and ever, always, everything, anything is possible. At least that's the things that it's meant to me. So the most important thing is, what does it mean to you? What does infinity mean to you? To me, it's that there's infinite possibilities for any change, any challenge, any problem, any situation that we find ourselves in. So often we trap ourselves in thinking that we have to do something, that we have to, it's the only way out, it's the only option. And that's never the case. There's always multiple options, and usually there are infinite options and possibilities that we just aren't even letting ourselves see. So to me, infinity means infinite possibilities. Always look for other solutions. Always look for what is best for you, not what's quickest and easiest necessarily, depending on what the situation is. Always do what feels right to you, never what doesn't feel right to you, because if it doesn't feel right to you, it isn't right for you. At least that's what I've learned based on my experiences. Every time I have gone against what my instinct told me to do, or my gut told me to do, or my heart told me to do, it has turned out really, really bad in some very interesting ways and scenarios. So that is Saturday here in my neck of the woods. So I am having some fun today. I hope you are as well, and having some downtime. Continuing to work on what I want to do for the annual challenge for October, November, and December, because by then we'll be through the 9 areas of the life framework, physical, mental, emotional, spiritual, financial, relationships, contribution, communication, and confidence I added last year. And we're going to continue to work through that framework at least this year. And if I get to the point where I'm like, confidence and communication, they're already rolled into the other areas and aspects of my life, maybe I'll stop separating them out in my life framework next year. But for this year, I've committed to they're part of my life framework. So can I help you in any way? Is there something that you feel like you are stuck on? I call it my 5-minute guarantee. I guarantee that if we get together for 5 minutes or less, we can figure out what next step you need to take in order to not feel stuck, not feel like you don't know which way to go, you don't know which option to take, etc. If you've even considered options, or if you've got a problem that you're looking for a solution and you feel like, I have to do this, there's nothing else I can do. Keep in mind that things change all the time. When we feel that way, it's always a lie, because there are infinite possibilities and infinite choices, but we lock ourselves into smaller and smaller thinking based on the assumptions that we make about the world around us that usually are not true as well. All right, have an awesome day, and I will, of course, be with you tomorrow.